What happened? What happened, sir?
Don't.
Yeah.
Don't.
So today we're going to the car show at TELUS Convention. I'm pretty excited to. Actually, this is gonna be. This is my first time, right? Did you go before?
Before, like high school.
Yeah, high school, right? Never been there. Like I just went to some car meets, but not really a car show. So we're gonna bring this little dude with us. Okay, bye bye door. And what are you showing? Oh, it fits your hand perfectly now. So yeah, we're on our way. We're gonna meet up our friend there. Friends. We'll see some cars. Dude. Alright, let's go. Okay, say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Is that 1 second? I don't know. Hi. Hi.
Hi. So, yo, we're gonna see some skyline, bro.
I did bring Zeke Skyline and GTR cars so he can play with it. But let me show you something. I found the camera. The best camera. Isn't she cute? She's the Fujifilm X-T30 Mark III. I sold my XS20 so I can buy this one, and I was happy. At first I didn't want to let go of my XS20 because it was a push GIF, but it wasn't for me, especially my small hand. It was big as well. It was bulky. It was heavy for me, so it wasn't used
Like
as
you
much.
like the feature of
Yeah.
that camera, but it's just
It
not.
wasn't used as much. And then now everyone's saying, oh, why don't you get the XM5, I think. I was debating, but it doesn't have viewer. What is this done? This one doesn't have that one. And I like my portraits. I like to look at the eye view when I take pictures. And while we were in Vegas, I found the perfect recipe, film recipe. So I will not upload them. I'm kidding. Hi, Ziki. Hi, baby.
Oh, Taziki. You ready to see some cars?
Okay, see you there. Bye. Oh, he's not ready.
No, he said, whoa! It's a truck! Hi.
Hi.
this truck?
You want that tent up here?
You can see everything it's doing. You have your multiple drive modes. You have normal, sport, eco, and custom. If you want a manual,
Let's go, Ziggy. You like? Okay, okay. You like it? Good, good, good.
table.
This is pretty spacious.
It looks bigger inside than outside.
Yeah. So we're right here right now, bro. I'm just enjoying. I'm sorry, Zeke. I forgot about you,
Yeah,
buddy.
he
I forgot.
left us.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. You like it? You're so messy, bro. Are you having fun? Yeah? You like these cars? Huh? Sorry, Daddy, forgot about you. Dude, I was enjoying. Though this is the Tacoma, the setup of the Tacoma I wanted. Look at that, bro. This is, oh my, kulay.
Yes, what? Daddy truck? Daddy truck?
This is. So we're now leaving. Oh my god. Really, this is like the dream build I want for my Tacoma. But yeah, we're gonna go and eat now, Virginia, and peace. That was good. Yo, the Tacoma really, bro. You want the Tacoma?
That's the only.
Yeah, I keep coming back on that
Yeah,
Tacoma.
that's the only vehicle that's struck me, and I'm like, ooh.
I think I saw that, but I didn't really check it out because I'm really eyeing on that Tacoma, that build in particular, bro.
Wow.
Yeah. Off campus.
Hey, now,
Is that
hey.
the one on Amazon Prime?
Yes, yeah. Now it's like, it's the number one ever since. Don't, ew, that's so gross. You're so gross. You don't lick tables.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let go. Dude.
How do you not get dizzy by that?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, enough, big enough. You're gonna get dizzy. Okay, fine.